it's Justin from OneMustTravel.com. Today I'm going to show you the Mayan Palace Resort, inside and out. First, we take a quick trip to the on-site convenience store, and then we'll go check out the room. After that, we'll go see the luscious green landscaping in the resort-style beachfront pool area. The Mayan Palace Hotel and Beach Resort is known to have some good happy hour specials, so we're going to go see if we can't find those deals. All in all, I had a great trip and enjoyed my stay at the Mayan Palace in Puerto Penasco. I wouldn't call this a 5-star luxury resort, but I would give it a solid 4 stars. But don't take my word for it, you can decide for yourself. Let's check it out.
You got this artwork, fountain, light assembly, whatever you want to call it. Does kind of smell funky of chlorine in here. This here is a little store where they sell things, needless to say. We'll take a little tour of it here. Knickknacks and whatnot. In here, swimsuit in case you forgot yours. A lot of kids at this resort. So lots of kids' toys, beach toys. So pretty much whatever you forget at home. They have here. I will warn, they don't stock Tums. They have Pepto-Bismol, but no Tums. Good morning. How are you today? I'm excellent, thank you. So we're just gonna come in here, see lots of snacks, but you know, I'm gonna grab a beer real quick. So we got champagne, Bouffe Clicquot. Maybe I'll get some of that later. I won't be here for New Year's, but I'm just gonna pop off one of these Ducatis. Of course, we got hard liquor selection, toiletries. That's milk. Yep, that's not refrigerated milk. I'm just gonna grab this beer from you. Muchas gracias. Buenas tardes. All right, now we got what we need. It's going to be a tour of the suite that I am staying in at the Mayan Palace, Suite 1105. This door's kind of tricky. Let's see if we can get it on the first try here. Nope. There we go. So, this is the living area. Yes, I've been here already. We have a little kitchenette, microwave, fridge, which doesn't seem to get that cold, but toaster, blender, coffee maker, obviously using that every day. Little hot plate. This door, I believe, is a connecting door to the suite next door. They come with 2 couches, which honestly aren't too bad to sleep on if you need to. Television in the living room. Now here you can see our view. Not really much of a view. That's the cart path. Over there is the main entrance to the Mayan Palace. And yonder is the parking lot. So nicely landscaped though. They do a pretty good job on the landscaping here. Alright, let's go check out the master bedroom. So here you go. Looks like a large king size. TV in this room, drawers. I'm here for 2 days, so I didn't unpack. And it's nice if you did have multiple people staying in this suite, someone in the living room, somewhere in here, you both get your own balcony access. The bed's comfy. It's a little harder than I would prefer, but it's not bad. And here is the bathroom. We've got just a standard shower with shower curtain. It doesn't drain as fast as I would like, but that's what it is. Toilet, nothing special. All right, that's the room. One thing nice about this timeshare is they do have daily maid service. Really nice feature. And we were told that they don't do the dishes in the kitchenette. However, they definitely did the dishes in our room, so I'm not sure how to clarify that. Hey, do you have a list of which restaurants have happy hour when?
Yes.
Can I grab that from you? I'm over here, but I've got both bands.
This one is for the Mayan Palace, for the Grand Mayan, and this one is for the, let me give you an Mayan Palace.
No problem.
And you got the here in the restaurants. This is an app. In this app, you can find the happy hours, the special dinners, and all the maps. The
Awesome. Beautiful. Thank you so much. You have a good day.
You too.
Let's open up. Let's first go and check out this pool area, and then we'll go, the indoor pool area, excuse me, and then we'll go check out the other outdoor pools. They even have a lazy river. I imagine it's much too cold this time of year to use, but I have used it in the summer. It's absolutely wonderful. Just look at that stunning blue water out there. So there's lots of people in here, so we're gonna be real quick. Just get a sweep around of it and call that good. There's your circle view of the pool. All right, now let's go check out some of the outdoor facilities. One thing to note, they do include gratuity on the tickets here. Hola, amigo. I'll come have some beers with you here in a little bit. Happy hours at noon? What time is it now? 11? Do you know?
Yeah.
It's 11?
We have the bucket right now for 250. That's
For 5 beers? Oh, that's pretty good. That's all the time or just during happy hour?
Yeah, that's the whole day.
All right, cool. This is the start to the lazy river, and you can see some people are in there. That water is only 59 degrees right now. There is no way that you're getting me in 59 degree water unless it's a life or death situation. But I have been in that lazy river, and it is a good time. In the summer, not in the winter. It's about as cold as it gets right now. Go down this little path and come right out here. All right. great view. Absolutely stunning. There's the resort from the beach. Again, this is the Grand Mayan side. Alright, we're gonna try and go get another happy hour deal. They have happy hour from 3 to 4. Both of the beach bars here. The Ola Muharta or Muhara, whatever that one is, on the Grand Mayan side. Allegedly, you have to buy food to get the happy hour deals, but I figured we might as well walk down there and just verify. I'm still pretty full from lunch, so I probably will not be ordering any food, but we'll see. Yeah, I have a feeling they're gonna tell me to go screw off to this happy hour deal. I don't want to buy any food, really. I'm so full. I just want to check out the happy hour, you know? Buy one, get one free is the deal they offer. Which makes the beers at least pretty reasonable. About $2 US a piece on happy hour or so. Ola Mulata. That's the name of this place. You guys have happy hour right now?
Yes, sir.
Buy one, get one free drinks? Awesome.
It's 2 for 1.
2 for 1, yeah, 2 for 1.
1 for me.
Alright, you gonna sit down and join us? Hey, we'll buy you a beer. Thank you, sir.
Oh, you enjoyed it.
Cheers. Salute. Alright, so I just wanted to take a quick second to show you all the bathrooms that are out here at the pool side. This is again on the Grand Mayan side of the Mayan Palace in Rocky Point, but the bathrooms are actually pretty nice. Hopefully there's nobody in there and they'll get freaked out, but let's just see if we can take a quick view. So here we are. On the right, it's the ladies. We're obviously going into the men's. So you can see nice travertine work on the walls, nice sinks. I really like these big stalls.
With them bloody money, stray your mind, make your place vanity. One step closer to insanity. Let's stand in a solidarity. Don't make them take for your identity. Let's create a new legacy. Love and peace and equality. Treat your neighbors like family. Respect, care and loyalty. Love bring prosperity, the remedy. Don't get caught in a bad energy. Money, guns and drugs. Adapt them using a bad recipe. Can't make them confuse me. Stay focused, that's my philosophy.
The sun is bright today. I'm glad I remembered my sunglasses. Buenos dias. The staff here is very friendly, at least most of them anyway. Obviously, we are in Mexico. They speak Spanish, but pretty much everyone here speaks English to at least some degree. I don't personally speak much Spanish. Tourist Spanish, perhaps, but not fluently by any means.
This indecision makes her fall down. You really turn those lights out. This more incision makes her
You guys have happy hour right now?
It's
6?
6.
Is it 6 yet? Almost?
Yeah, it's 5:50.
5:50. All right, we'll be in 10 minutes.
Okay.
About that. You guys from Phoenix?
No,
Las Vegas. Can I get Dos Equis, or no, County Light, please? Yes, sir.
It's happy hour super one.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm here. 6 to 7.
6 to 7. I don't know what they call cash.
I'm gonna pay cash. Yep. No?
You didn't tell
6
us.
right now. Yeah, technical, but you guys come down much?
No, first time.
First time? Oh, well, cool. Well, welcome.
We shall see.
Yeah.
We just got here, so.
Oh, cool. Are you staying here the whole time, or? Thank you, sir. You have to. So you are a time care owner then, I assume?
We didn't come by car.
You didn't come by car? You flew in?
No, we came by car, but travel.
Oh, really?
Yeah. From Phoenix.
From Phoenix?
Yeah. There's a shuttle, $50
Oh, wow. Oh, thank you.
$50 each, and we bring it downtown.
Really? That's great.
I wanted to get some drone shots of the sunset because in the past, sunsets here at the Mayan Palace and in Rocky Point in general have been spectacular. I got some pretty cool shots. The tide was low, so that made for an interesting view. Tonight was okay, but take a look at this shot that was taken at the Mayan Palace on my last visit. Here's a shot from the top of the hill in downtown Puerto Penasco. This footage I took here on my iPhone a couple years back. This is one of the best sunsets I've ever witnessed. Hey, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, please don't hesitate to click that little thumbs up button below the video. If you want to stay updated on new videos that I release, subscribe to my channel. Over on my blog, onemusttavel.com, you can read all about my solo travel adventures, get travel tips and advice, and learn more about me. Instagram users can find all my travel photos by using the hashtag #OneMustTravel. Thanks again, everyone, and here's wishing you safe travels.